What is up, you guys? Back with another video. I know I haven't posted a lot since after that one video, but I just want to tell you guys that I was sick badly. Well, not badly, but just like I had a lot of like freaking fever and headaches and a lot of cough, and yeah, it was hella bad. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Yeah. Oh wait, hold on. I don't know if you guys could tell by my voice. Kind of a little sick. My stomach starts to hurt, and I get like a little headache. My headaches were bad though. So,
This video was captured by a Reddit user's doorbell camera. He claims to have woken up to his dog going crazy outside, followed by a notification from the app Ring, saying motion was detected at his door. Upon opening the app, he's greeted to nothing but an eyeball looking directly into his camera, and a man whispering and mumbling to himself. He proceeds to knock and ring the doorbell.
what the heck?
He then begins trying his luck at the doorknob and window, all the while still mumbling and whispering to himself.
What is this guy
After the
doing?
homeowner threatens to call the police, the man gets defensive and claims he was just looking for his dog, conveniently named Fido.
Okay, I was just looking for my dog, Fido.
Oh, so a dog could be in the house.
You don't have to get all
That
that
makes sense.
stuff, honey.
When it's locked. Mentally ill.
In this video, we see a man seemingly waiting to be let into a house. Whether it's his house or not is unknown. As he waits by the door, a strange animal-like transparent figure can be seen floating towards the door, and as it reaches and passes the man, he turns, possibly reacting to a sound he may have heard.
What the heck? But it kind of looks like a dog or something like that. Cause it's going like that. Dude, that's hella weird.
These are two clips that were likely taken back during the entire clown epidemic of 2016. In this first clip, we see someone dressed as a clown wielding a small sword, lurking around by the front door for a bit and running off after ringing the
I'm triggered by
doorbell.
this big ass thing. Cause I said I need to drink a lot of water. So yeah. Because of my headaches. And if I don't, it makes it worse.
Similarly, in this next clip, someone dressed as a clown can be seen standing in the distance, looking at the front door. After a while, he approaches the door, seems to stare into the doorbell camera for a few seconds, then walks away. Whether these were pranks meant to scare the homeowners or not, most people wouldn't want to open their doors to these two.
He's all bald.
In this video, around 2 p.m., the man in the dark hoodie seen here apparently rang the doorbell and no one answered. The man who lives in this house was wearing headphones, therefore couldn't hear the doorbell. So the man in the hoodie likely presumed no one was home, and soon returned with his friend in the white hoodie around 15 minutes later. The man in the dark hoodie attempts to kick in the door, while his friend in the white hoodie stands by. The man who owns the house is able to hear the loud bangs of the attempted burglar's foot hitting the door, and he yells out something unintelligible that scares the two men off.
Damn. He's all smiling, thinking it's all good. Bruh.
In this video, the camera catches a shirtless man approaching the door, but instead of actually ringing the bell or knocking on the door, he pretends to knock on the door. What you can't see on the screen is a car that's waiting for the man in front of the house. According to the homeowner, he could be seen talking to someone waiting in the car off camera later on. It's likely that the shirtless man was forced to do something by the person in the car. Clearly something that he doesn't want to do, given that he fakes an entire conversation with the homeowner, all the while checking to make sure the person in the car could see him talking.
Damn.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry.
It was apparent he or the person in the car were
Leave.
looking for a person named Matt, who
Ain't
they
no
thought lived
driver
in this
around.
house. One could only imagine what this man was put out to do to this mad person.
I know. What the heck? That's
In this
crazy.
video, the doorbell camera detects motion, but seemingly nothing appears in the frame, except for a small white orb that floats across the screen. Some paranormal investigators have referred to orbs appearing in pictures and videos from allegedly paranormal sources. Apparently the orb in this video is significant enough to trip the motion sensors of the camera system.
That thing is hella big. And then like I don't get the orbs and like they're all like this and just all floating.
This
Like
one
I don't
isn't a
get it.
video, but rather a pretty
And then there's like a
disturbing
lot
picture caught
everywhere.
by a
Like
Redditor's doorbell camera. After
I
being
don't know what
woken
it
up by a
means.
notification on their
Yeah, I don't know
phone,
what it
they
is.
checked it to see a message saying, "Your doorbell detected a visitor." After checking the app, they didn't see anything, and as anyone would, assumed it was maybe a bug or a small animal that tripped the motion sensor. However, the Redditor received more notifications, and after checking the app again, was faced with this disturbing image.
Oh shit! What the
Whether
heck?
it's even a
I saw. It looks like it didn't near the empty. That's right. Stare at me.
But perhaps the most disturbing part of the image is the shape and distance of the person's eyes. It's not something anyone would ever want to see at their front door. In this video, we see someone wearing a mask approaching the door,
Why is
covering
everybody
the
like wearing
doorbell with a
masks?
piece of tape. The homeowner got an alert that motion was detected on the porch,
Coco,
and
no,
upon
that.
checking the footage, was ready to grab his gun. It's not known what was done while the tape was covering the camera, but eventually one side of the tape peeled off, revealing the person in the mask was gone. The homeowner doesn't know if it was simply kids playing a prank or someone who meant him and his family harm.
Dude, now I feel like getting that now.
This video shows exactly
Well,
why you
here's
should
how
always check
crazy.
who's outside your door before opening
Well,
it.
it is, but
This doorbell camera caught two men in front of the house. One of
Where's
them
the other
approaching
guy?
the front door and ringing the doorbell, armed with a gun.
oh shoot.
He attempts to hide his face as he approaches the door, then hides off to the side, waiting for someone to open up. The other man walks down the sidewalk, waiting for his friend to do whatever he was about to do. But luckily, nobody answered the door.
Yeah.
This homeowner's camera captured two suspicious men pull up in their driveway and wait outside their front door. The one on the left quickly notices the camera and the two flee.
Bruh. You just leave. And there's a camera.
But not even 15 minutes later, the two pull up into the homeowner's driveway again, having apparently decided they'd go through with the break-in anyway. This time, one of them immediately attempts to kick the door down, but the homeowner is ready this time and speaks through the doorbell speaker, claiming the police are on their way, scaring the two off for good this time.
Run! Dumbass, dude.
On September 10th, 2018, a Florida man wearing a bulletproof vest and carrying an assault rifle rang his neighbor's doorbell at 4 in the morning.
Look at him.
The homeowner grabbed her two children and stayed put in the bathroom. After spotting the man on her security footage, she immediately called the police and her husband, who was out of town for work. Roughly 25 minutes later, the police arrived. The man faced aggravated assault charges. The homeowner said the daughter of the unnamed man had stayed at their home recently, claiming she was afraid of her own father.
What the hell? Wait, was that the father or what? You are not the father.
At some off hour in the night, this man's doorbell camera captures a mysterious, transparent-looking, blurry figure slowly moving down the sidewalk across the street.
Where at? I can't see it. Oh, right there. It's like right there. Wait, yeah, right there. Right there. Oh shoot, my nails. But if you guys keep it back, you guys will see it. I don't know if you guys see it. Oh, why you do that?
It closely resembles a human, and that's what most may assume. But the weird part of this one is that after reviewing the footage, the homeowner asked a neighbor who also had a camera to check their footage at the same time. And their footage didn't reveal the figure walking down the sidewalk.
That scary noise that he makes. Oh shoot, it's already over. Alright guys, ended the video. So yeah, you already know I'm gonna do like freaking 1.4 million hours just to freaking do the outro. I don't know why. But like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah guys, I was quick this time. Bye.